Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your real estate CRM with BoomTown, full guide step by step clearly. To optimize your real estate CRM with BoomTown, start by logging into your BoomTown account. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Explore the key features available at your fingertips. Begin by organizing your leads. Import existing contacts for seamless integration. Utilize the tagging feature to categorize your leads effectively. Create specific tags for hot, warm, and cold leads. Next, customize your communication workflows. Set up automated email campaigns that target different lead segments. Use personalized templates to enhance engagement. Monitor your lead activity through the CRM's tracking features. Review metrics on email opens and clicks to refine your approach. Set reminders for follow-ups based on lead activity or inquiries. Implement task management to stay organized with your daily responsibilities. Integrate your calendar with BoomTown for better efficiency. This allows you to keep track of important meetings and deadlines. Utilize the reporting tools available within the platform. Analyze your lead conversion rates and overall performance metrics. Adjust your strategies based on these insights. Take advantage of the training resources provided by BoomTown. Attend webinars and explore tutorials to maximize your usage. Collaborate with your team by sharing notes and updates in the CRM. Encourage feedback on how the software can better serve your team's needs. Make use of BoomTown's mobile app for on-the-go access. This ensures you can manage your leads anytime, anywhere. Regularly update your leads information to keep your database current. This will enhance your communication and follow-up efforts. Finally, stay consistent with your marketing efforts through the CRM. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.